there, my name is Eric Dugan, founder and chief investment officer of 3D Capital Management. Monday, May 3rd, 2021, the S&P 500 is knocking on the door of a new all-time high. But I'm not going to talk about the S&P right now. I'm going to talk about Japan. Did you know that today is Constitution Day in Japan? Or did you know that the first week in May is referred to as Golden Week in Japan? I didn't know this until my investment management career began in 1993. The Nikkei would close for the first 4 days of May. It still does for Golden Week, and that's when Japan takes 4 national holidays and groups them together. Now, why am I bringing up Japan? Well, the world is one big global macro flow chart, and we've been fortunate enough to be on Bloomberg TV with Abigail Doolittle, and she's been great about sharing our global relay race charts, and by the way, those are available on our website. So what is the global relay race? Well, logically, it has to make sense, right? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. First markets to open, New Zealand, Australia, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Hong Kong. And then look at Europe. You know, you've got the UK, you've got Spain, you've got France, you've got Germany, you've got Switzerland, and then you have the US. The bottom line is there are plenty of statistically significant clues from around the world that can help you identify the direction of the S&P and manage risk. So right now, I want to share some insight into how Japan has helped us identify the direction of the S&P 500. So let's take a quick look. Here you can see in the last week of January of 2018, the Nikkei was down 4.5%. What happened in February of 2018? The S&P dropped 4%, had its first down month in 10 months, had its fastest stock market correction in history, and as a reminder, 2018 was the first down year in 10 years in the S&P 500. 2020, last 2 weeks of 2020, Nikkei drops 5%. What happens in February and March of 2020? We all remember that. The S&P is down 21% and has its fastest overnight bear market in history. And now look at the last 3 weeks of April. Nikkei is down 6%, and first day of May here, the S&P 500 is making new all-time highs, and I've put in here TBD and M. What does TBD and M mean? To be determined and managed. Managing equity market risk every day matters. The data makes that very clear. Our expertise at 3D Capital Management is making the stock market a better long-term investment. We can help you continue to profit from these historic gains and provide upside or long exposure, and we can also actively manage the problem, which is the downside. If you have any questions about how we can help you, feel free to reach out. We're here to help.